Hello, welcome back to Sales Force Drillers Team. In a previous video, we have seen that the basic program of the Python. In this video, we will see the control statement of the Python. So if you get a more information about control statement, you can also switch to our website, the salesforcedrillers.com, and go to the Learn Python section. After that, you will be get this page. Okay. So what is the conditional statement? So conditional statement, the Python perform the different computation or the action depending on the whether a specific Boolean constraint evaluate to the true and false. Conditional statement are the handled by if statement in the Python. Okay. The statement is the control the flow, the execution of the code, the decision which Python instruction to execute the next and the understand which is the condition. Okay. So Python if the statement is used to decision making operation. If the content in contains a body of the code which is run only when the condition given in the statement is true. If the condition is false, then the optional else statement run which contains some code of for the else condition. Okay. So here you can see that is that categorize the if as it is the simple if. It is the if else, ladder if, and nested if. So in this lecture, we will be talking about this if else statement. Okay, here is the code. It is the diagram of the if else. Okay, so now open the notepad. So we will be talk about first the simple if. First the simple if. In the simple if, we will be not use the else. Again, we will use if and else. Again, it is used in nested if and ladder if. So, what is the difference between the nested ladder in the latter we'll be talking about? So, first we will be talking about the simple if. So, let's see the demonstration of the simple if. Open the idle. If I take any number from user, taking the number integer input, enter. It's a number enter. Okay. So, if a if a is double equals to type of a is the double equals to int. Okay, then it will print hello. This is int number. Okay, it is an integer number. Now close. Then convert into even. Okay. See, enter number. If it is a hello, this is an integer number because I am obviously I am input the integer number. So let's take another example. It is a age. It's a demanded from the user. It's an integer. Enter your age. Okay. Now, if age is a greater than equal 18, then print congratulations, you can vote. Okay, run this program. It's a 45. Congratulations, you can vote. You can vote. But I give the another number is that 6. It's not giving the answer because I'm not defining the else part. So that's why if the condition is not true, then what will we do? So we have to define the else part If the condition is not true, then else will be executed. So next is the if and else. Okay. So now I'm defining the else part of this. If else, I'm print, sorry, you are underage. Okay. It's a underage. Now run this program again. So 15. Okay. If I get the 6, sorry, you are underage. Let's take the another example. Number, it's an integer, input, enter the number. If number modulus 2 is equals to 0, then definitely it is a even number. Okay. Else it is a odd number. Okay. Let's run this program. Enter the number. 56 is a even. It's a 33 is a odd number. Okay. So here is a condition that it is a if and else. If and else, that is a working between the condition is one condition, that if then it is a given value is the true, then the block of if will be executed. Otherwise, else part will be executed. Okay. So if I take the another example of if, take the English, input, enter your marks. Okay. If English is greater than equal 33, it's mean that print you have passed. Otherwise, you have failed. Okay. Run this program. If number is 44, then you have passed. If the number is 12, is that you have failed. Okay. So this is the example of the simple if else. Okay. Now we will be see the ladder if. Okay. So what is the ladder if? So in the if you're talking about the ladder if, then here is a more than one condition. If I give the scenario of for the better understanding about the ladder if I say you reach to the railway station by your home, so how will you reach your station? If you are living in the Delhi, so how will you reach the railway station by? Then here is the conditions that first you can catch metro, you can use the public transport like a bus and auto. You can also use the own vehicle like a car, and yeah, or you can also go at the railway station by pedestrian. So here is a lot of condition that you can use. So if we have a lots of condition that we, then at this time we will use the ladder. So let's see. Now I will make the calculator and understand about the ladder. Enter first number. Okay. D is int, enter second number. Then print 1 for add slash n for the new line, 2 for sub, it's mean subtract slash n, 3 for mul, it's mean multiply slash n, is a 4 for division. Okay. Then enter your choice. Then choice 1, 2, 3, 4 is your choice. Then message is choice. Okay. If C is double question, double to 1, it's mean it is asking for the addition. Then print addition is that a plus b. Okay. If elif, here we use elif, it's mean it is another if. So 2, it's mean it's that print subtraction. Okay. Elif C as double square root 3, it's mean it is a multiply. C as double square root 4 divided by b. Else, if all the conditions not true, then print invalid number. Okay. So run this program. Close this program and start from the first page. So enter the first number with 45, 43. So I suppose if I print use a 78, it means it's the invalid number. If I use a 3, it's in the multiply. If the answer is the multiplication 1936. Okay. Now if I get the if I use 100 and a 2 and I get a division, so 4, it's a 50.0. Okay. So here is the demonstration of the ladder if. Here is the more than one condition, so that's we are using the ladder if. Okay. Now will we see nested if. Nested ifs mean the one is containing the another if and another is containing the another if. If you are given the scenario, if you are in the previous scenario that if you are reached to the station, if you are choosing the cab, the first is conditions that you are asking for the AC or non-AC. If you are get the AC, then okay. Then another conditions that if the driver is the age is the older than the 30 and the older and less than 30, then you can also have the another condition. So that's why it is a type you can use the uh, if another it's a if is containing the another if, so it's called a nested if. So let's see if I find the who is the elder bit, it's among the 3%, then take the first ram and so ram, so each. Okay. Shyam age Mohan. Okay. Right? If Ram is elder than Shyam, okay. The another check. If Shyam is elder than Mohan, then print Shyam is a. Let's take the another condition. If Ram is elder than Shyam, then check that whether Ram is also older than Mohan. Yes, if it is true, then print Ram is oldest. Otherwise, else Mohan will oldest. Okay? Else Shyam is older than Mohan. If yes, then print Mohan. It says Shyam is oldest. Otherwise, else Mohan is oldest. Okay? Now run this program. 45, 46, and 47. Who is the eldest? Is Mohan. Is old. Obviously, the Mohan is correct. I'm going to run this program. 44, 46, 33. Sam is oldest. Then is correct. And last, we have run again. Run this program. Is Ram is a now Ram will is the oldest one. Okay. So here is the program to finding the oldest between it's among the Ram, Sham, and Mohan. So that's it for this session. I hope you have learned lots of things. So thanks for my watching video. Thank you.